Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening Settings with Windows plus I so you avoid extra clicks. This takes you directly to System Controls. Once done, click System, then either Display or Power and Battery depending on your build. Windows groups timeout controls in both. You need admin rights only for group policy changes, not for personal adjustments, so proceed without pausing unless prompted. Make sure your device is awake and plugged in if you plan different values for plugged versus on battery, because those choices appear next. Now change the timeout durations. Under Screen and Sleep, choose how long before the screen turns off on battery and when plugged in. Pick shorter times for security or battery savings, longer times for active work. For example, 5 minutes on battery and 15 when plugged in. If you need screen off but keep apps running, use display off only. Once those are set, click Additional Power Settings, then change Plan Settings and change Advanced Power Settings to tweak granular options like adaptive brightness or multimedia behavior. Finish by saving changes and locking the screen to test that the timeout behaves as expected. This validates both battery and plugged-in profiles. If your changes don't apply, restart Windows, check for display driver updates, and ensure any third-party power utilities aren't overriding settings. If you're on a work PC, Group Policy may enforce values. Use Local Group Policy Editor or contact IT to change enforced settings. Finally, recheck after sleep to confirm apps resume and the display timeout meets your workflow.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.